This is Manuel Antonio, Costa Rica, where the rainforest meets the sea.
One local group of kids is making an effort to save the mono-TTs. Kids Saving the Rainforest was started by Janine LeCarey.
Hi, my name's Janine LeCarey, and I'm the founder of Kids Saving the Rainforest. Living in an area with so much biodiversity and so much rainforest, you could really tell the difference with when it comes to its destruction. You could notice it more. So if trees were cut down, you'd realize what was going on. So you kind of wanted to do something to help it and stop the rainforest destruction. Kids Saving the Rainforest is a non-profit organization I founded when I was 9 years old with my best friend.
I'm waking up at the start of the end of the world, but it's feeling just like every other morning before.
Kids Saving the Rainforest!
When we started, we raised a small amount of money and we sent it to another foundation. Later, when we checked up with them, they weren't sure where the money had actually gone, whether to the administrative costs or to actually saving the rainforest. And that's when we decided we should start our own organization so we could always be sure where the money would be going.
The cars are moving like a half a mile an hour, and I started staring at the passengers and waving goodbye.
9 years old. At 9 years old.
Wow.
Can you tell me what was ever really special about me all this time? The world is burning to the ground. Oh well, I guess we're gonna find out.
Monkeys are highly susceptible to diseases from human hands. They can die from bacteria transferred off your hand that has no ill effect on you. So you can't touch them.
Let's see how far we've come. Let's see how far we've come. Well, I believe it all is coming to an end. Oh well, I guess we're gonna pretend.
Contrary to stereotype, bananas are not the preferred food of monkeys in the wild. That's weird.
They're not native to the area, as the monkeys are.
Bananas, especially those containing pesticides, can be upsetting to the monkey's delicate digestive system and cause serious dental problems that can lead to eventual death. That's so weird.
Let's see how far we've come. It's turned 10 o'clock, but I don't really know. And I can't remember caring for an hour or so. Started crying and I couldn't stop myself. I started running, but there's nowhere to run to. I sat down on the street, took a look at myself. Said, where you going, man? You know the world is headed for hell. Say your goodbyes if you got someone you can say goodbye to. I believe the world is burning to the ground. Oh well, I guess we're gonna find out. Let's see how far we've come right now. Let's see how far we've
Past
come.
here to make it easier.
I believe it all is coming to an end. Oh well, I guess we're gonna pretend. Let's see how far we've come. Let's see how far we've come. I believe it all is coming to an end. Oh well, I guess we're gonna pretend. Let's see how far we've come. Let's see how.
The number one thing that's threatening the squirrel monkeys is electrocution. When they try to cross the roads, they use the electrical wires, the power lines, and they get electrocuted doing this.
It's gone, baby, it's all gone. There's no one in the corner and there's no one at home. Well, it was cool, it was just all cool. Now it's over for me and it's over for you. Well, it's gone, baby, it's all gone. There's no one on the corner and there's no one at home. Well, it was cool, it was just all cool. Now it's over for me and it's over for you. I believe the world is burning to the ground. Oh well, I guess we're gonna find out. Let's see how far we've come. Let's see how far we've come. Well, I believe it all is coming to an end. Oh well, I guess we're gonna pretend. Let's see how far we've come. Yeah. Let's see
My name is Lexi and I'm the newest spokesperson of KSTR and I'm very excited to start this opportunity. I am also the creator of this video and very passionate about animals and their habitats. I really hope this goes well and I will see you tomorrow. The sun sets on yet another beautiful Manuel Antonio day. We can't wait to see what we're going to do tomorrow. Kids saving the rainforest!